Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel HDAMS Tech. My name is Mohammad Abubakar. Today I am going to show you how to install Foxit PDF Reader. And Foxit PDF Reader is a free version officially providing from the Foxit website. So open any browser and type here Foxit PDF Reader. Enter. You can see here once you type Foxit PDF Reader, the first website will come Foxit. So you can click on first link Foxit PDF Reader. So you can see here download, click on download and you can select the Windows or Mac OS, any operating system, and also there is a different type of packages you can select. So I will select exe and click free download. Once you click, it will start the downloading. You can see here it is downloading. And the Foxit PDF Reader also, it will open any PDF file simply, and it is light version to use in any PC, and you can open any PDF file easily. You can see here it is downloaded. I will install here. So just click run as administrator. Click yes. You can see, click OK. You can select the languages whatever you want and click next. Accept the terms and conditions. Click next. Typical. OK, install. The Foxit also one of the best PDF reader or editor. If you want editor version, you have to purchase the license from the Foxit website. So as of now, we are installing Foxit PDF reader. So we can view the PDF files. You can make small changes in the PDF file, and also you can add text and you can add digital sign. Some other features the Foxit is providing you. So here already it is created the shortcut on the desktop. So we will launch the Foxit PDF reader directly. Click finish. So you can see here it is asking to register. Just click not now and you can select the PDF file default or no need. Anything you can select here. If you click this one, if you click no, it will appear again. So as of now, I will remove this one and click no. You can see here Foxit PDF editor. If you want to take the editor version, you have to get the license. So you can open any PDF file easily from here. So you can arrange some comments and other things as well as once you open any PDF file. I hope you like this video for Foxit PDF reader installation. If you found this video useful, please like, share, comment and subscribe for my channel to get new updates. Thank you for watching.